Hi guys, welcome to another video on my channel. I am your host Prabha. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to achieve this traditional look perfect for the festive season. So without any delay, let's begin. To prep my skin, I'm using this Physicians Formula Skin Booster Vitamin Shot. It helps in brightening the skin and brings a slight glow on the face. Next, to prime, I'm using the L'Oreal Magic Lumi Primer. Guys, always use a good quality primer before applying your foundation. It helps in your base makeup to look smooth and flawless. For concealing my dark circles and pigmentation marks, I am using the Maybelline Insta Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Caramel. This is an excellent low budget concealer in my opinion. It is easily buildable to your liking. And I am setting it in place using the L'Oreal True Match Compact. Now I am taking this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Foundation and applying it on my face and neck. It has a very light formula and feels really silky on application. Also, it has a medium to full coverage and blends seamlessly to give a dewy finish to the skin. Now I am setting my foundation with the L'Oreal True Match Compact. Coming to the eye makeup, I am using the Nudes of New York palette by Maybelline. This is a neutral warm tone palette. I am taking this warm brown shade Globetrotter on a pencil brush and drawing a V on the outer corners of my eyes and taking it slightly inwards in my crease area. Always apply the eyeshadows little by little and then gradually build it to your liking. Now with a large fluffy blending brush, I am blending the color for a softer and smooth finish. Now with a damp shader brush, I am applying the golden shade Inspirer on my lid starting from the inner corners till the center of my eyelid. With a brown kohl pencil, I am lining my waterline as well as the lower lash line. And applying the shade Self Starter over it with a pencil brush. For contouring my face, I am using the L'Oreal Glam Bronze Duo, dusting off the excess product and lightly contouring my face. Never ever blow your brushes to remove the excess powder or eyeshadows, guys. You have no idea how much bacteria accumulates on your brushes when you do this. It's best to steer clear from doing so. And now comes my favorite part, the blush. I'm using this e.l.f. blush palette and digging into this peachy shade. I'm applying it high up on my cheeks and temples for an uplifted look. For highlighter, I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold and I'm applying it on the high points of my face. I'm applying it on my brow arch and inner corners as well. Now taking the L'Oreal Flash Cat Eyeliner, I am drawing a wing with it. I am extending the eyeliner on the lower lash line as well, only till the center of my lower lash line. This trick makes the eyes look elongated and uplifted. For mascara, I am taking this newly launched Air Volume Mega Mascara by L'Oreal and applying it on my upper as well as lower lashes. With this mascara, you need to go heavy on the application. Also, it makes the eyelashes all clumpy. So, an okay mascara, I would say. I just realized I didn't tightline my upper lash line. Here I am using the same brown kohl pencil. To highlight my under eye area, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and dabbing it lightly with a damp beauty sponge. For lipstick, I am trying on a new shade today. This is the Wet n Wild liquid lipstick in the shade Catsuit. A beautiful bright red shade which will suit most skin tones. If your lipstick gets a bit smeared, don't worry, it can be fixed. Just take a little concealer and with a flat concealer brush, run it around your lips and press it gently with your fingers. And as the final step, locking in my makeup with the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you had a pleasant time watching this makeup tutorial. If yes, then please like this video, leave me a comment down below and share it with your friends. Also guys, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you for stopping by at prabha.com and I shall see you super soon in my next video. Bye bye guys.